Hello and welcome back again to Dynamic Money Machine. We are here in session number 2, and as I said, that is gonna be this session is gonna be a little bit longer because this is where we're gonna dive deep into the meat and potatoes of this, how everything works and how everything comes together. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into strategic marketing 2.2. All right, here we go. All right, so w- um, in this session, what I want to dive into is identifying, certain things before we go on further. Okay, so let us call this ident- identifying certain stuff. All right. So the first thing that I want to identify is an income goal, right? Something to work towards. And for you could participate in this session right here, right? All you have to do is just figure out, how much money you would like to earn within a month. All right. So I'll give you a few seconds to grab you a piece of paper and a pencil, and write down, a certain amount that you want to achieve per month. Okay. So in this session, let's say that we want to earn 5,000. Okay. So the next thing I said I want to figure out is how much my commission will be. Remember the in the last in the previous video, we went to ClickBank. I was looking at the different products and how much we was getting paid per commission on the products. One of them that we looked at, it was paying $25, right? So let's say that we were promoting that product. So every time we make a sale off that product, we earn $25. Okay. So the next thing that we want to figure out is sales, right? How many sales of this product that we need that will give us the 5,000? So the next thing is leads. So I'm going to give you the formula for that here in just a minute. So the next thing is leads, right? How many people leads is like prospect, high, people, someone who is highly interested in the product, in buying the product, right? And then the next thing I want to figure out is visitors. How many eyeballs, right, do I need to come to the page, right? So we're going to plug in those numbers later on, and then we could take it a step further and put daily activities, right? All right, so let's go ahead and plug in the formula for sales. So we already have the income goal, whatever that number is for you, right? Use that number, and then we're gonna do the commission of $25. So the formula for sales, it will be income goal divided by commission. All right, so whatever that number is for you, you go ahead and put it in. So let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. So my income goal will be $5,000, and divide that by the commission of 25, right? And that will equal to 200 sales. Okay, so far for what I'm looking at is I need to make 200 sales off the $25 product that will yield me that 5,000. Okay. So the next thing that I want to figure out is leads. How many people do I need to see the product who is highly interested in buying it? And that formula will be sales divided by conversion. All right. So let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. So sales here is 200. It will be 200 sales divided by. So for the conversion, all right, I'm going to be very conservative and say that about 20% will opt in. Okay. So so 200 divided by 20%, that will be 1,000. So it will be 1,000 leads. I need 1,000 prospect to see my offer. The next conversion. Let's go ahead and set that right. Okay, so the next thing I want to figure out is how many visitors do I need to send to my page. All right, so the formula for that will be leads divided by opt-ins. Those are the people who put in their information. Okay, so the plug in the numbers for those. So our leads is right here, 1,000. So it'll be 1,000 leads divided by. We're gonna be very conservative here again in the opt-in. Let's say about another 20%, right, of the people who see the page put in their information to come and see what we are promoting, and that will be 5,000. So 5,000 visitors that I will need. Okay. All right. So listen, that 5,000 number, don't let that scare you, right? Because in the upcoming video on traffic generation, I'm going to show you how and where I'm getting my traffic, right? It's some simple easy stuff. Like a lot of people, they overcomplicate the traffic getting part, and then once you understand, the formulas that I'm about to show you, then this 5,000 right here will be a cinch. So let's break that down a little bit into chunks, right? Let's chunk that down into daily activities. So we have 5,000 visitors per month coming in, and we want to see our daily activity. So we divide that by 30, right? So that will equal to 167, okay? Visitors daily. So can you see how more realistic this is of being able to generate of being able to acquire 167 visitors per day? All right, so let's go ahead and reverse engineer all this that I've just shown you, right? So daily we need 167 visitors, which I'll show you, some traffic getting strategies in the upcoming video. So 167 per day, that will give us we will need 5,000 visitors per month, right? And at 5,000 visitors per month, and if it's convert at 20%, we will get 1,000 prospect who will put in their information, come and see our product. And at 1,000, if we are converting at 20%, 20% of that 1,000 will be 200, right? We will make 200 sale, and at 200 sales at $25 per commission, right? That will give us we yield us $5,000 per month, right? So if you do that math right, that number that you your income goal that you trying to hit, you will be able to hit that, right? So is understanding how to do certain things in a certain way, and then once you figure that part out, then you implement the actions. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into next session. Will be 2.3, right? Setting up the landing pages, right, and to where I will be driving the visitors, right? So I will show you how to set that up, and then later on we will talk about traffic strategies. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the next episode, which is setting up a landing page. All right, see you in the next video. All right, bye.